Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add courses in LinkedIn. And this is quite simple. So what we're gonna do is we click on the profile picture, click on my own picture, and then from here we go to add section. Then from here we go to recommended, and just right here you see here the option add courses. Then from here you can add a course name, maybe something like let's say engineer programmer, and now let's say the number, I don't know what number it is, but just saying something like this. Then associated with, now let's say student at Hogeschool from Amsterdam. Then you can do save, and right now we just added a course on our profile, because if you click here on close and we scroll down, 2 courses you see right here, engineer programmer. I know this is not the correct way of engineer, but that doesn't matter. But you can fill in here your course and then it's standing just right here. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.